Aircraft carrier. To dream of an aircraft carrier represents total preoccupation with confronting a negative or uncertain situation. Never standing down and asserting yourself as much as you can. Throwing everything you have at your problem or enemies. An aircraft carrier may be a sign that you are unwilling to put up with a difficult person or situation any longer, using all your resources to hold your ground. It may also reflect your patience with wanting to totally embarrass someone, waiting for a sign that it's time to finish something off for good. By grace of Christ, Joshua David Solomon have answers to your dreams. You are always welcome. Subscribe for more. Thank you.